All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Roman. Yeah, bro. Bro, I'm hella tired, bro. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, today. Oh, damn, what was that? Today we in this 420, bro. I'm sitting so close, bro. Right, hold on. Yeah, we're in this registered for 2320, bro. And yeah, man. Copyright. Okay. Bruh, I don't know, bruh. I don't know how this POV is gonna be, but yeah, man. I just hope that it's a proper POV, bro. But you know what, bro? We'll see, bro. We'll see. But yeah, man. Guess we're gonna be driving in spots. I don't know if I'm gonna go sports plus, bro, because it's a rear wheel. What is it? A rear wheel drive car, bro. So yeah, man. I ain't trying to crash, bro. But hey, man. I guess we'll see, bro. But yeah, man. Just get ready for this, bro. Bro, I hope this thing is good, bro. I think I might have to hold it. Yeah, there you go. I think if you... Oh, yeah, there goes saving over there, bro. If you can even see. Oh, that was a pothole, bro. Yeah, bro. There's no exhaust sound in here, bro. We just enjoying the car, bro. There you go. You're just over here enjoying the car. I hope you guys can see properly though, because bro, the last time I did not like how the camera was set up for me, chat, but Alright, king. But anyways, bro, we're going to Kasi today. Bro, this thing, one thing I love about this car, bro, it pulls. It pulls, bro. Damn, bro. I hope you guys can see, bro. I just wish it could be like this, bro. You see, when it's like this, you guys can see everything outside and inside, bro. But I feel like when it's like this, it shows I guess this part too much, bro. And I ain't trying to do that. Why am I using my indicators, bro? BMW don't be using the indicators. I think we can slide this. Stop driving like I'm crazy, bro. And these guys mess it up, bro. It's always the Polo drivers, dog. I swear, bro. I just hope there's no cops, bro, because usually there's cops in this road. Or on this. Oh, do I have my license? Wait, hold on. Oh, I do. Alright, there we go. Alright, bro. Thought I left my license at home, bro. Because, bro, these cops be giving you hella problems when you don't have your license, bro. I'm a BMW driver. Why am I using my indicators, bro? Dude, I have zero patience, bro. Yeah, there's an 80 zone, right? There's usually cops on this road, so I might have to slow it down a bit. Feel me, chat? I just cannot see, bro. There you go. Couldn't see that mirror. Ooh, this is the new V-Class. Is that a 220? I don't know, bro. But dang, bro. I love BMWs, bro. Like, bro. I just wish this had like the shift paddles, you know. But it is what it is, chat. It is what it is, bro. I am not complaining. Feel me? There's no cops today, which is good. There's usually cops on this road, bro. I just hope that the exposure is not too much, bro. Cause I don't know why, bro. But like I've been trying to fix that. But yeah, bro. The POV camera is coming soon, so yeah. You guys will, I guess, get to see that, bro. Look, you wanna cut up? Should we do some cutting up, bro? Someone commented on the last video. Where's the cutting up, bro? I won't even lie to y'all, chat. Bro, I was title baiting, bro. I was title baiting, bro. I'm not gonna lie. What are y'all waiting for? Bro, go, bro. Damn, why you driving so mad slow, bro? Let's see if we can cut up, bro. Okay, this road that I'm going to is cops for sure, bro. And these guys are driving way too slow. Yep, I won't be able to cut out, bro. There's no space in between, and this guy's turning. And I'm turning over here. I just wish this had like a proper exhaust, bro. I mean, it does sound good, don't get me wrong, bro. It does sound good, bro, but yeah, man. I feel like you need an aftermarket exhaust for it to like sound minty for me. For it to sound like proper good, bro. You need a proper exhaust. But she does slide though. I just love how responsive the throttle is, bro. When I went back to automatic over here, bro, I hope you guys could see. I'm just trying to avoid these. You know what? Let me just do this, bro. I'm trying to avoid these potholes, bro. There's like a lot of potholes over here, man. Yeah, as y'all can see, bro, just potholes on top, bro. Just okay, is that, bro? What's the thing called again? Ain't no way y'all are gonna. Hey, bro, just move out the way, dog. There's no way. Yeah. Bro, I feel like every time I'm here, bro, I'll be playing Subway Surfers, bro. Subway Surfers straight, bro. Like, bruh, the amount of dodging I have to do, bro. Yeah, IRL Subway Surfers, but with the car, of course. But yeah, man, we're entering the car, as y'all can see, bro. Bro, just change already. There's like a pothole over here, bro. Yeah, buddy. See, Subway Surfers, chat. Tell me why yesterday when I came here, bro. Right, chat. There was this taxi driver that literally was on oncoming, bro. Like, he was on this lane, bro. Like, nah, that's crazy. What the hell is that sound? I just know the mic will be able to pick it up, bro. Bro, nah, chat. You know what, bro? Let me play Subway Surfers again, bro. There's no way. There's no way, my boy. I don't know if this is gonna be. Yeah, there's no cutting up here. Y'all know, bruh. There's like kids running around and all that, bro. I ain't trying to get into trouble. You feel me? But I do look like a goofy though. With this camera on my head. Yeah, go, dog. Yeah, I just know that the camera is hella bright right now. I just know that for a fact. I don't know why, bro. I think it was because I was recording in 4K. So I'm recording in what is it, HD now? Hey, bro, you get us copyrighted. But yeah, I'm recording in HD now. Is it HD? Yeah, basically like 1080p, bro. I'm recording in 1080p, so yeah, bro. Damn, bro. I'm gonna try to like upload oh, brushes. The fuck? Oh Sure, sliding. Let me come down, bro, because there's usually cops over here. But it's still early, though. I don't know, bro. We'll see. Alright, no cops. Okay, where's Gucci, bro? We in the car, see my boy. Bro, why am I using my indicators, bro? See, chat, I haven't driven this kind of method, bro. BMWs don't use the indicators. Chat, there was someone that made like a cash in transit. Oh, yeah, not so long, bro. Nigga blew his leg off, dog. Whoo! Let's go Sports Plus, bro. Sports Plus. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. I didn't know I want to go to Sports Plus, bro. We got traction off. Bruh, the CRA is stuck. Just move on my way, bruh. Move on my way. There's a Datsun over there. I don't even know where I'm going, bruh. I need to check on my phone. I need to read something. But yeah, buddy. Yeah, my tit. Alright, chat, bro. I don't know. Hey, let's see if we can get a crazy clip or something, bro. I mean, yeah, bro. There's nothing that goes on, bro, unless we like see a stunts car or something like that. Because one thing about these guys, they love these stunts cars, bro. Not a huge fan of stunts, but no. They look good though, don't get me wrong. But me, personally, stunting my car, yeah, nah, something I'm not doing, bro. Yo, out my way, bro. Choose the side. Alright, bro, we're gonna end it over here, bro. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna record some more, but I guess we'll see, bro. I'm gonna check out, bro. What are you doing, Barry? Alright. Gonna end it over here, bro.
Got that T-Rex. I just gave my daddy.
Copyright. Ain't it, bro? Turn that off, my boy. Hey, bro. We are here. Nigga. Alright, bro. What's up, bro? Guess I'm picking up from where I left off. But, bro, y'all can't see anything, bro. Wait, hold on. Is this? Yeah, this is a dope view, bro. Forgot my mount and all of that, bro. So, yeah. Oh, nah, boy. This is a cool, like, cool view. Hopefully I can hold it up like this, bro. Chat. I ain't got no petrol, bro. Down bad. I ain't got no gas. Like, don't see that, bro. Yeah, one of those days. But yeah, man, I think I ain't gonna do anything crazy right now. Just gonna end it over here, bro. But I'm on my way home right now, and yeah, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this POV. Let me know, chat. Let me know down below in the comments which is your favorite car, bro, out of all the cars that we have driven. Because I see it's between the 45 or the GTI, between those two, bro. Because those are my most, bro. This guy did not even stop. Yo, yeah. But anyways, bro, that's like my most what's this? My most viewed, I guess, videos so far on the channel. But yeah, man. Hope you guys will enjoy this one. We got a Polo. Last pull of the day. Alright, that's enough, bro. I ain't got no petrol, bro. Bro, imagine if this car had like a nice exhaust setup, bro. It sound good. Why am I using my indicators, bro? I'm a BMW driver, bro. Damn. Crazy bum. I'm a BMW driver. But anyways, man, I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Yeah, man. Don't forget to do all the YouTube stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, bro. We'll check y'all on the next one, bro.